Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, widely known as Epsom salt, is a highly soluble crystalline compound that provides an excellent source of magnesium and sulfur, two essential elements required for healthy plant growth, industrial processes, and various specialty applications. Characterized by its colorless to white crystalline appearance and ease of dissolution in water, this versatile compound is extensively used across agriculture, horticulture, pharmaceuticals, personal care, water treatment, and manufacturing industries. In agriculture, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is valued as an effective fertilizer and nutrient supplement that helps correct magnesium deficiencies in crops, improves chlorophyll production, enhances photosynthesis, and supports stronger plant growth and higher yields. It is commonly applied to fruits, vegetables, flowers, lawns, and greenhouse crops to promote healthier and more vibrant plants. In horticulture, it assists in improving nutrient uptake and overall plant vitality, making it a popular choice among growers and gardeners. Beyond agriculture, the compound is widely utilized in personal care products, bath salts, and wellness formulations due to its long-standing reputation as a beneficial mineral salt. Industrially, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is employed in textile processing, paper production, leather treatment, chemical manufacturing, and water treatment operations, where its reliable chemical properties contribute to process efficiency and product quality. It is also used in laboratories and educational institutions for analytical and research purposes. With its high purity, excellent solubility, ease of handling, and broad applicability, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate remains one of the most trusted and versatile compounds available, supporting productivity, quality, and performance across a wide range of industries, while delivering essential magnesium and sulfur wherever they are needed.